Hey, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Mohan, and today we're diving into the essential world of personal finance. If you're looking to take control of your money, you're in the right place. We're talking about the cornerstone of financial success: budgeting. Section 1. Understanding your income. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about understanding your income. Take a look at your monthly earnings. This includes your salary, any side hustle income, or even passive income. Knowing your total income is the first step to effective budgeting. Section 2. Fixed versus variable expenses. Now, let's break down your expenses. There are two types: fixed and variable. Fixed expenses are those regular bills like rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance. Variable expenses, on the other hand, can change month to month, like groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Section 3. Creating your budget. The magic happens when you create your budget. Start by listing all your income sources, then subtract your fixed expenses. With what's left, allocate amounts for your variable expenses and, importantly, savings. A good rule of thumb is the 50-30-20 rule: 50% for necessities, 30% for discretionary spending, and 20% for savings. Section 4. Tracking your spending. Now that you have your budget, it's time to track your spending. There are various apps and tools that can help you with this, or you can go old school with a pen and paper. Tracking helps you stay accountable and identify areas where you might be overspending. Section 5. Emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and that's why having an emergency fund is crucial. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This fund is your financial safety net in case of unexpected expenses or a change in circumstances. Section 6. Review and adjust. Budgeting is not a one-size-fits-all. Regularly review your budget, especially if there are changes in your income or expenses. Adjust as needed to stay on track and achieve your financial goals. Conclusion. And there you have it, budgeting basics to set you on the path to financial success. Remember, it's not about restricting yourself but about making intentional choices with your money. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial wisdom, and let me know in the comments your budgeting tips and tricks. Until next time, take care of your money, and it'll take care of you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.